my YouTube. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Period.
African Princess Hotel in Gambia.
This is the fit. My bathing suit was under. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later because my ride is in. Gambia with the ATM. This is so beautiful.
Okay, that's the pool attendant.
Okay.
So which means that he will attend to you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm at African Princess. I'm just chilling. I'm waiting for my friends, and I'm here with my sis, Sarah.
Hey, y'all.
But yeah, so we're just sitting here chilling. Then we're about to swim. And then after, I don't know, just catch a vibe. But you know, these are my last days out here, so gotta get lit. Period. This is the fit. Yeah, and those are the shoes I wore. But yeah. This girl all the way over there, cause she talking about something. She gonna go far so we could go live together. Yeah, I'm really gonna leave. I'm so sad. What do you mean you joined? I got off alive. What? I'm gonna do TikToks. No, this beach is so beautiful. I'm glad I came here today. If you ever met a sicko, people think I'm a sicko. This is a sicko.
I even forgot cheer.
And this is why, if you haven't cheered for years, you need to stop.
Hey, V clap. Low V clap.
Ew. Did you cheer in high school? Your freshman year or something?
Then I was sophomore.
Damn. You left and came here and was useless. You're so sick. I'm trying to think. Running this game for 5 years. Guess that's what my feet hurt. Wonder if they bite me. Do these I know. I don't know. Smoothies. I really been craving a milkshake though, but what if it's not?
I don't get milk chicken Gambia.
You never tasted one here? Like, what if it's like, you know, Ovaltine and ice?
I don't get. Cause it's I don't like it.
But you tasted it before here?
Not at this place, but like Gambia in general, I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
Just here to try it. Cause
After a day with chilling with the big boys.
literally.
Yo, I should have. Was I vlog? I don't know. I wasn't vlogging, but I have videos. I have clips.
What I was recording and what you recorded.
Exactly. I need to blow up. I need to be
Everyone was swiping
a Gambia
up.
YouTuber. For real?
Everyone was swiping up. Like, you don't understand. The past like week, I've gained so much followers on
Yo,
TikTok,
me too. Oh my
Snapchat,
God.
Instagram. First of all, I'm
Literally.
getting my Snap because my Snap is not in my Instagram.
Yo, I took it out a while ago because of like, I don't know.
Random people be following.
Even though I don't use Snap like that, I don't like how people find it so easy and text me. I don't know. So I took it out of my Instagram. But yeah, people find it.
But Instagram, like my Instagram followers have been. I've been getting too many on Instagram.
I know. I don't know. Wait, no. I have the highest, the 9 TB thingy. I made sure. Yeah, I paid. I made sure when I came here because I didn't have space. Like, I'm not playing with my vlogs. Thank you.
Boomerang.
Have a nice day.
All right, thank you. Cheers with this.
Yeah. Wait, my nail. Let me hide it.
Oh my God, it's too late for this. It's a video.
Serious.
The guys in Gambia they have no game.
You wanna do that on live?
Yeah, you could go on live. Like, they really have no game. Like, I don't think I understand. And you know what I hate here? I don't know if this is just here, but I think it's Africa in general. Like, when I've seen, like, people's, like, Ghana vlogs and stuff like that, like, people will literally come and touch you.
That, okay,
Like-
let's oh, are you gonna continue vlogging?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it for the YouTube.
I don't know. I just came with my family. We're having like a dinner here. This girl's lying. So this boy won't link her. He won't come here.
Oh yeah, if there's no color ID, you can't call.
Wait, why did he call no caller ID?
That's his number. No color ID. He doesn't want people calling.
Gambia shade room is
Like,
too
watch
wicked.
someone come and type it. Someone will be like, go and like rat you out to shade room.
Exactly.
Yeah, don't get
any ideas.
No, not it going.
Literally, yo, I was really thinking that, but That would be so dangerous.
The way that was like not shot. It's my name, man.
You're a sicko. Show me after.
Like we were saying, so what's it called? Don't get any ideas. We were just talking.
Yeah, nah, we're just cooling, you know. You just gotta be. You just gotta be cool people.
Mohammed Emal.
And you have connects.
This is those sunglasses from Serakunda.
Oh my god! Can you stop saying
like-
everybody's getting their clothes from Circle Market?
No, you could have at least sponsored him. You get him nice sunglasses from Burberry or Coach. Like this is a big boy.
You wanna chill with the big boy, bro? Sarah, don't ignore.
But now you want to run, Ricky, the wrong.
Wait, why does the boy speak like? Is he from the UK?
Slanging?
Is he from
It's
the UK?
slanging, Gambian slang.
Okay. No, like he speaks like he's from the UK.
I mean, boys in the life.
Okay, anyway, let's talk about me.
Yes.
So you feel me? Like I
But
don't
you're
know.
talking about how these people be touching you.
Okay, yes. Gambian slang. So let me tell you. Wait. Yeah, this is my IG.
Are we
No, this is a talk show. I'm gonna put talk
If
show.
you guys have any questions, just let
Talk
us know.
This trip, the foreigners. Ooh, the foreigners.
Yesterday
Oh
when
my
we were
God.
NB in the line, I was like, there's so many beautiful girls.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Like I literally turned around, there was this group of 3 girls. I was like, y'all are so pretty.
Exactly. Like, but the foreigners really had it this trip, and people from the UK.
With their
UK guys.
accents.
UK guys, I don't know. Like, wow, the accents are mad nice. And what else?
How about accents?
So crazy about me. I will post people on YouTube. You will never know who. Yo,
Every nigga.
yo, exactly. I post people because you know this. Like I'm one of the Mandem, so everybody thinks that you. So you
Yeah.
never know who is who exactly. That's what I like about me. But
You already know.
I gotta get us live now. Oh my gosh. Anyway, y'all. So let me tell y'all that like, bro, this is just vacation.
They're here?
Yes, they're in the front. This is just
Okay, let me
vacation.
No. You know,
This is just Sarah, but we need to travel to another state though. Like, we need to go to Texas. I heard it's
we
fun.
need to do something.
Mexico or
something
some shit.
fun.
Oh my god. Invite your
Mexico.
friends out for first. That would be fun.
Do you see them?
No, they're at the lobby.
They're tall
Because when he
asses.
called me, he said he was outside. So he's right in front of it. So yeah. Ow. Freaking screaming here.
The way I'll just beat you. It's golden hours, like.
That's literally.
Gang. No, it's not. Sarah. Hey y'all. So okay, see now you're extra. So we're in the. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's too my. Oh my god! I almost dropped my phone. No, it's. Hold on. Let me hold my phone right here. Oh, I look good. Hold on. My necklace is. I can't get the way. Well, I can get the second one wet because it's from here. I don't know. Anyway, y'all. So we're in the pool. We not really swimming.
We just dipping.
You know, we came here for content, you know, and vibes for y'all. But yeah. Anyway, though, we're. Yeah, she's gonna take it to me. Hey, so my music video.
They see me rolling to do. They.
On YouTube. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Period. The biggest artist out here. Wait, give it some time. It's about to be up.
Remix coming soon. Remix coming soon.
Hit it.
Girl, I love how you whine and twirl.
Okay.
I love how you whine and twirl.
Okay.
Just want to give you a whirl.
Damn.
Drop that thing on me.
Okay.
I never see you. Where did you tell us where in Gambia he went?
So, basically, y'all. So we came to Luke's because Iceland was closed. Like that's mad ghetto, and now niggas is out here just chilling and shit like that. Sarah.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
I'm a black ass nigga.
But yeah, we just chilling. Honestly, I'm gonna hit that later. We don't even know what we doing for real. Okay. Yes, baby. Anyway, y'all. Are crazy. We the Mandem. For real. Period. The baddest. Oh my god, I need to brush my lash. Oh, these hoes. Nah, the lineup is crazy.
Full top again. Full top. Sharp man. Boy, yang the flip duff. Nyaka suma. Follow got nothing on us.
Yo, shut
up. Nigga, don't tell me to shut the fuck up. Yeah, I will fuck you. I mean, if you kill me, I will kill you. I'm not doing that shit, but fuck you, man.
What?
Hey.
Alpha,
Hear that?
chop.
Alpha, hold on. Alpha, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Yeah, well.
Went nowhere.
The lineup is crazy.
These are chicken
The Mandem. How my lunch serve? Like, I don't know. Yo, this whole time we outside.
Invalid.
We outside. So it didn't work? That's how.
How? Anyway, I need to pee now.
Man, I'm going to day now wait for a minute, man. Wow.
Sarah.
I'm tired of coming here every day, bro.
This place mad ghetto. Here? I haven't eaten from here and I don't feel like eating from here. I don't feel like eating from here.
Hari na ka na? Hey.
Exactly.
Wait, son, last day. Wait, son bara. 6 na am, 6. Son bara. Hey. Son, tegal ba?
This boy is so ugly.
I can take your
Take my what?
We have to eat.
Hey, puede.
Wait. That's still here. I have a what? Nah, you ain't have soap in your bathroom? There's soap, but that shit fell in the sink. You can still use it though.
Bruh.
It's Africa. Bro, oh my god, to edit all these videos and put them all together. Okay, but do the fries dead come in a thing like this?
No. In the paper thing.
Been in this game for 5 years. Guess that's what my feet hurt. Wonder when they. My camera been mad clear. My camera been mad clear. Okay.
Right, like the 5 year
Exactly. I'm dead with celebrities though.
Come on.
Celeb.
Celeb. I'm on
Celeb one. I'm Matt. I'm not friends with Matt no more. Don't include me in your nonsense.
You did it full time.
I'm done with Matt.
Man, if you got
I just wanna grind for the paper, oh. Baby looking like a name Caro. Up in at the club and we day shy, oh.